Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running.
Last weekend I visited Coromandel, which is one of the most beautiful place in New Zealand. The green valleys, golden beaches and misty forested mountains make the Coromandel an ideal place to escape into nature. No wonder why it is the topmost vacation spot in North Island. I'm sure you are familiar with Cathedral Cove as featured in the Chronicles of Narnia movie and Hot Water Beach where you can dig your own natural hot pool. Well, both of these iconic spots are located on the Coromandel Peninsula. So stay tuned. We started from Auckland and on the way we stopped by Bugger's Cafe, which is a great place to grab some yummy food near Thames. After having food, we directly head towards the hot water beach. As the name suggests, you'll actually experience hot water on this beach. It is due to the thermal water which bubbles below the sand surface. All you have to do is dig in the sand in the right spot and water that comes up is steaming hot. How cool that is. It is the most popular Coromandel activity. You can bring your own spade with you or rent one for a small fee at the cafes out there. As you can see, it might get crowdy at a times. It would be better to go early to find your perfect spot. You will notice large rock in the ocean. Stand facing the rock and that's the best spot to start digging. Overall, I would say it is the most unique experience not to be missed. I would highly recommend this place. It has to be on your bucket list. Also, if you want to stay there, there are plenty of accommodation options. I stayed at Top 10 Holiday Park, which is at 5-minute walking distance from Hot Water Beach. You can camp there or choose from various type of room options. I chose deluxe cabin and as you can see, it was pretty nice. Overall, it's a great place where you have all that you needed: laundry, kitchen, swimming pool, cafe, playground, etc. I'll also upload detailed video on Top 10 Holiday Park very soon so that you'll get an overall idea. So that's all about our day 1 in Coromandel. On our day 2, first thing we visited is New Chums Beach, which is voted as one of the world's top 10 beaches. It is so pristine and beautiful. It is good for your soul place where it's possible to witness orca or dolphins swimming the length of the beach. It's so much more beautiful than you can see in the pictures and imagine. New Chums Beach is hidden jewel on the Coromandel and it won't be wrong to say that it is prehistoric piece of paradise. It is off the beaten track, you do have to go out of your way to find it, but like anything worthwhile, the effort is definitely rewarding. After New Chums Beach, we went to Driving Creek Railway. It is truly unique 1 hour 15-minute railway tour on New Zealand's only mountain railway. It's a journey across 10 impressive bridges and through 3 tunnels in hand-planted regenerating native forest and heaven for a rare native species. Tickets are $39 per person and it is suitable for all ages and is all-weather activity. You'll be inspired as your rail tour guide tells the story of Barry Brickell and how his passion for pottery, engineering, and conservation were influential in creating Driving Creek as an authentic and inspiring place.
As well as the ladies here at the base. And I am a bit like a mother. I do have eyes in the back of my head, so I will be watching to make sure you all behave yourselves. But have your camera ready the entire time. It should be absolutely beautiful up there. No smoking anywhere we go. This is my first trip up the hill today. Okay, right, I'll just check all your doors.
Thank you.
According to the engineers, this is still where all the engineering magic happens. Now the two big trains are both powered by a 60 horsepower diesel Perkins tractor engine, whereas the little Fox train only has a 35 horsepower diesel engine, so she has a little bit more personality, shall we say. Now firstly, who the heck was Barry Brickell, the man responsible for everything you will see around you today? Well, first and foremost, Barry was a potter, but he was also a sculptor, a writer, a conservationist, an engineer. He was a lover of trains and he was a bit of a hippie. Now, he originally put this railway in so he could collect clay and firewood for the pottery. But people kept turning up wanting to go for a ride on this train, and it was never meant to carry passengers. So he had to build bigger trains and track the track further. Now this is bridge number 1 out of the road.
And once you reach at the top, you'll get these spectacular views across the Haruki Gulf and its islands. This is the last stop before you start the return journey, called as an Eiffel Tower, not an Eiffel Tower. Overall, this experience was also a top notch, and I would recommend this place as well. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, don't forget to post them in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.